Hi guys, we have come to the third step of solving the Rubik's Cube, where we have synced the top center piece with all the side center pieces with the edges and the corner pieces also. So now the next step will be syncing up these center pieces, that is the center piece of side faces. Let's say like green and orange means then we need to match up with this piece. Okay, so this piece has to come here, and similarly all the center pieces has to be come. So what is our aim is we need to we are going to sync all the pieces so that this bottom two rows and the bottom face will get all the pieces synced, exactly synced with the colors corresponding to it. Okay, so and then we can proceed to the next step for solving the top face. Okay, let's concentrate on this step now. So how we are going to sync up these pieces. Okay, so the logic is, let's say like this green and red piece, red and blue piece. Okay, so this piece has to come here. So what way I have chosen is I need to sync up this piece with this piece, so that if I again realign this piece here, this both will get synced up. Okay, so how I am going to do is this keep this face opposite to the face which is in top, that is the red was in top and blue was in the side face. So if the red is in top, then keep it opposite to red. Okay, then go to the face, to the color which is in the side face. Okay, so then if you move this step and rotate it in the clockwise direction, and if you move it again, then the piece which we aim to sync up with that middle piece got synced up. Okay, so if you see it carefully, you can understand then. See, our aim was to sync up this blue, red, white piece with the blue and red piece. Then only this red and blue will get synced. So what I am doing, this red, the step which I was following is this red has to be in opposite, and we need to turn to the blue face, and the piece which we want to make sync with this piece, we are going to bring it to the top. Okay, bring it to the top and make this piece come here, and the piece which we bring to the top, so move it back so that it will get aligned. Okay, so now these two pieces are joined, but here some other pieces came, so we are going to change that row with this row and move it back. Okay, so similarly if we practiced, you can get this step. So let's say like what other colors is available in the top. So random colors. Okay, so let's say like this red and green has to come here. So this is a different case because the piece is not in the top. If it is in top, you can keep it to the opposite side of some other pieces, some other color which you want to get to sync. But this is in the alternate places. This has to come here and this has to come here. So in this case what we will do, we will simply assume some other piece as a syncing piece. Okay, let's say like this piece itself is our aim. You can use the same step itself. Okay, so, then we will move it to this direction. Okay, and move it. Okay, so now the green and red piece this moved away from this corner piece. Okay, so now we can follow the same step which was told previously. This red has to be in the opposite side and the side face is green, so keep it in the side face, and since the piece in the right, we are going to move the left. Okay, and then move this top piece to some other face so that this piece will come here, and if you move it back, the piece will get synced up, and then we need to move a step to keep these, to make these two pieces to come here. So how we can do, we can just rotate it this way, and if we rotate it back, then it will come here. So if we see it logically, we can get to know each and everything. Okay, so the only pending step is green and orange now. Okay, so yeah, so this orange should be opposite to this face, and you need to keep it in the face where the side piece is facing. Okay, so now since it is in the left, I am going to rotate this piece, this one, and then I synced up with this piece. Okay, so now we are going to make these two pieces to come here. How we can do that is changing the complete row itself. I am going to change this row and make it come here. Yes, we have aligned all the bottom two rows and the bottom face now. Okay, yes, so only our pending face is the top face along with the top row of all the side faces. Okay, so how we are going to align this? So whatever step which you are going to make from here, it will affect all the other aligned pieces which we have aligned previously. Okay, so what logic we are going to use in our next part of the videos is we are going to make some changes between two pieces, and we are going to reverse this change so that whatever changes happened will get reversed and aligned back, but this will also be aligned back. So that what we will do, we will make some change and rotate it once. Okay, and rotate it once, and we will reverse the change so that these pieces will be get reversed and aligned back, but these two will be inverted as these two pieces inverted. Okay, why I mentioned these two pieces? Initially we kept these two pieces and swapped these two pieces, but here it got changed. So after changing, we have rotated to this piece and we reversed the change so that these two will get swapped again, and this will get aligned again. So this will be the basic logic in our next part of the video. So thank you all for watching. Please join to our next part of the video.